Greetings from the Philippines in the Mall of Asia Arena in Manila on day 2 of the UA Roadshow as Warriors guard Stephen Curry is celebrated by the fans here in the Philippines. It was a day full of joyous emotions and a lot of pageantry as the MVP and the Warriors very much in the spotlight here with the fans in the Philippines.
It's amazing to see people in the Philippines wearing my shoes. Like, never in a million years would I've dreamed of that, and it's only going to get better because we're going to get better. Basketball is fun, and challenging yourself every single day and finding something different or finding something different about yourself is what it's all about. So work hard, and nothing can stop you.
First of all, it's an honor for me to go here and to have an opportunity to watch him play for me. And I really waited for this moment.
Surreal, very surreal. Yeah, I told my husband that I should sleep well last night, so I'll be ready today.
The way he never gives up, the way he works hard, the way he wants to be the best player on the court. So I want to be like that, not just in the court, but also in life.
And now the Roadshow rolls on through Asia as we head from Manila to Beijing with 3 stops ahead on the tour in China with Warriors guard Stephen Curry on his tour of Asia. I'm Lawrence Scott.